the first embodied whole brain emulation of a fly. A company called Eon Systems created a digital version of a fly's brain and placed it inside a virtual body. This isn't animation, and it's not a pre-programmed robot. They reconstructed the wiring of a real fly brain, neurons and connections, then let signals flow through it, just like in biology. This is called embodied simulation. Instead of training AI on massive datasets, you give a reconstructed brain a body and let it interact with the world. It senses, it moves, it reacts, and behavior comes from that loop, not from instructions. Here's the breakthrough. No one told it how to walk, or explore, or respond. Those behaviors emerged naturally from the brain's wiring. A 2024 idea from researchers like Philip Hsu explains why. If you accurately recreate the structure of a brain, the connections, the signals, you don't need to program behavior. The structure itself creates behavior. In simple terms, build the brain right and actions come for free. Eon Systems sees this as just the beginning, from flies to mice and eventually human brains. But what happens when a simulated brain can see, feel, and act? Is it just a model or something closer to us? If behavior can emerge, could consciousness be next?